I'm in the mood. make it work. Keep the movements up. I go have to get on top. Roll your belly on. Roll your belly on me. Roll your belly on. Roll your belly on me. Roll your belly on. Roll your belly on. Right now, I'm feeling strong. Let's get it on. Then I'm feeling strong. Let's get it on. Well, alright. I'm feeling. Rub on my bone. I'm single free, so rub on me. Right now I'm feeling hot. Come darling, let's kiss up. Tonight is our night. Come on, let's hug up. Roll your belly on me. 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 Right now. Right now. Right now, let's get it right. Stop. Roll your belly on me, darling. Roll your belly on me, honey. Roll your belly. Roll your belly.
Roll your belly on me, darling. Roll your belly on me, honey. Roll your belly. Roll your belly.
Roll your belly on me, darling. Roll your belly on me, honey. Roll your belly. Roll your belly.
Roll your belly on me, darling. Roll your belly on me, honey. Roll your belly. Roll your belly.
Up your leg and make me beg. Raise up your foot and shit up your foot. Roll your belly. Roll your belly.
Roll your belly on me, darling. Roll your belly on me, honey. Roll your belly. Roll your belly.
Get me. Well, alright. So nice. Roll your belly on me, darling. Roll your belly on me, darling. Roll your belly. Roll your belly.
gentlemen, welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. This is a very special show like every Wednesday. Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga is proud to present all-time favorite soca and calypso songs. Que motia? Yes. This show features your favorite soca, calypso, and souk songs from artists such as Crazy, The Mighty Sparrow, Byron Lee and the Dragoneers, Shadow, Mighty Power, Ed Watson, Arrow, Scrunter, Bill Campbell, the Lord Rayburn Band, Lovin' Deer, Winston Soso, Sprice and Company, Lord Kitchener, Kassav, Bonnie Mac, Drop a T, Crossfire, Caribbean Dynamics Band from Los Angeles via Belize, also Dale and the Sensations Band from Belize via Los Angeles. We also have Santino's Messengers from Belize, Rootsman, Bella Carib from Belize, Calypso Rose from Trinidad and Tobago, Banda Ibanez from Honduras, Eddie Grant from Jamaica, Gypsy, Mighty Doe, Nando Boom from Panama, Penguin, Rupi, Fuerza Brava from Honduras via New York, Merchant, Exile One, The Merry Men, King Care of My Me from Belize, Dan Griga, Les Aiglons from Haiti, Eduardo Ballesteros from Honduras, Melvin Augustin, La Banda de Costa Rica, Benny Guerrero from Honduras via New York, Georges Plunkite, Superstars of New York, Taboo Combo, Trinity Vo, The Rebels, and much, much more. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga live from the studios in Long Beach, California through Radio Centroamérica, LMB Roots Radio in New York, Garifuna Radio or Radio Garifuna in New York from Mr. Garifuna Link, Murphy Valentine, and in Honduras, Giriga 99.9 FM in Santa Fe, Honduras. Welcome to my show and have a good time. Hope you enjoy it and pass the word. Gentlemen, welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. I want to send a big shout out to Abuti Bill Flores listening in Los Angeles. He says thank you for the last 2 weeks show, giving a voice to our women. Without them, this unique culture, the Garifuna culture, would be dead. So that was 2 weeks ago when we did part 1, a tribute to Garifuna women in music. And last week, of course, we had Dr. What's his name? Surusia Luther Castillo, along with part 2 of a tribute to Garifuna women in music. So thank you again for listening to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live, pass the word. And don't forget that Gafu School is offering free classes every Saturday from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. We are located on 81st and Vermont and 81st Street in Los Angeles. Classes are free for the entire family. Join us every Saturday until November 8th. And don't forget that Obamacare is in open enrollment right now, and enrollment begins in November, and it's around the United States, not only in California. Also, subscribe to GAFO channel on YouTube. Every show that we do here live, we rebroadcast it and we put it up on GAFO channel on YouTube. So when you go and watch or listen to this podcast, make sure you subscribe so you could actually help us to achieve our goal of getting 5,000 subscribers, so we could take advantage of the free facilities for the production of television shows at the Google Studios in Santa Monica. So thank you once again for listening to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are doing a special tribute to the music of the soca, the calypso, and souk, the artists that left their legacy throughout the years in the Caribbean. Kemotea, now is the turn for Caribbean Dynamics Band. Kemotea, Wabina.
We back again. Caribbean Dynamics. Hot party by part 2. Here we go, here we go. Paranda style. All this but goodness. Marlon, directly from Branch Mocayo. Yeah, branches. Since I met you, baby, my whole life has changed. Since I met you, baby, my whole life has changed. And everybody tells me that I'm not the same. I don't need nobody to tell my troubles to. I don't need nobody to tell my troubles to. 'Cause since I met you, baby, all I need is you. All I need is you.
would let them hold you. Oh, how grateful I would be. Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh. Shake it thing, 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 shake it thing. Aye. Wind it up, wind it up, wind it up, wind it up. I shake it up. Do the thing, 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 do the thing. Oh, yeah. Ha!
Ladies and gentlemen, now Mighty Power with A Coming. Yes, a special show to music, soca music, and calypso, of course.
Jessica, you ain't hear me calling. Jessica, this is Juve morning. Jessica, girl, you're making a big mistake. I can't wait until they break. I'm coming. Listen to the steel band beat. Hear them rap and something sweet. Listen to the DJ man, making no man shaking bam bam. I'm coming.
Yes, Kemotea. Well, I want to send a big shout out to Edson Arsu, who is listening in the Bronx, New York. Kemotea Numada. Hey, wabina ka. Big shout out to Del Ogaldes listening in Chicago as well.
Sweet songs coming from the steel drum. All stars and invaders, desperados jamming. And all you say is you're coming. Listen to the steel band beat. Hear them rap and something sweet. Listen to the DJ man, making no man shaking bam bam. I'm coming. Carnival Monday and Tuesday, yeah, like you well know. If you can't find clothes to wear, come just so. It's DJ Man Tantan, come from New York.
hope you're having a good time. I want to send a big shout out to my very good friend Marlon Alegria from Caribbean Dynamics Band, who is listening live, and he's giving us the thumbs up because we play his music, of course. Otherwise, he wouldn't be listening. ¿Qué motia? Big up to Deo Logales in Chicago, Fernando Ellington, Edson Arzu, also Roberto Ellington, and everybody listening in New York. Man, what's going on with the beautiful people in Los Angeles? Luz Ramirez also listening live right here to our show, Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Jackie Harlem Finest Stevenson is listening as well. Bernardo Guerrero is listening out there in Louisiana. Ruth Molina, Gloria Osiris, La Guarachera de Guatemala, Kemotia, Guabina, Guafeduha. Okay, LMB Roots is live now in New York, so if you want to tune in to www.lmbroots.com, we are live in New York now with LMB Roots Radio from the 502 crew in New York. Kemotia, Wabinaha, Wafeduha. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to play a little bit of African music from back in the day. This is Akio, and this is what's called Souk music. Kemotia, and this is a special show dedicated to the beautiful music of the Caribbean, all-time favorite soca calypso songs from back in the days. Kemotia.
You
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for listening to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Actually, is the new time, West Coast time. And in New York, we're live from 10 a.m. until 12 midnight. Yes, welcome LMB Roots Radio. We're back, Garifuna Link Radio in New York as well, in Giriga FM, 99.9 FM in Santa Fe, Honduras. Today we're having an all-time favorite soca and calypso songs show for all of you who remember all this beautiful music from Crazy, The Mighty Sparrow, Byron Lee and the Dragonair, Shadow, Mighty Power, Ed Watson, Arrow, Scrunter, Bill Campbell, and many, many more. We got Belizean artists, we got all the artists from Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, of course, Kasav, and other bands that you will remember. Even from Panama, we have the Rebels and, of course, Nando Boom. Yes. So we're going to continue the show tonight. We have a lot of people listening now in the East Coast. Big up to Fernando Ellington again in New York. Mama Garifuna listening right here in the living room. My beautiful wife. Thank you for listening. And she is our media director, the media management. She's the one in charge of the pictures that you see online on our Facebook page. Ronnie Figueroa is our Facebook page. If you want to follow the names of the songs that we're playing, or if you really want to see the names of the songs, well, you could tune in to Radio Centroamérica, LMB Roots, or Radio Garifuna in New York. Also, Chuckster Tedon listening live to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. And of course, our very good friend Roberto Antonio Ellington. Yes. Ruth Griffiths also listening in San Diego. She's from Los Angeles via New York. Luz Ramirez also listening live. Ruth Molina, Gloria Osiris Gamboa, and many, many more people. Thank you again for listening to Garifuna Music and Talk. Today, all-time favorite soca and calypso songs. And we got another beautiful souk. Well, you know what? I want you to go to my page. I want you to read the definition of souk music. We have put it right on our page. So if you're wondering what the hell souk music is all about, it's right at the top of my page, and it says souk music is a fast jump-up carnival beat. It's a style of rhythm music originating from the Caribbean islands of Guadeloupe and Martinique, popularized by the French Antilles, Kassav, which is the name of the group, Kassav, Kassav, in the 1980s. And its elements of goka, tambour belay, tiwa, and begin vide, including full use of the MIDI technology, are prominent in the souk music. So let's hear a little bit more of the souk music right here, bringing back the good old music. This is Garifuna Music and Talk, live and direct from the studios in Long Beach.
C'est ici que tu vas vivre. Mais pendant ce temps-là, ton endroit préféré, c'est ici ton refuge pour chercher à bouffer. esiko préféré okobima na esika yango ezali awa kobanda motema ebouge na esika yolengi
Yes, Kemotia, Wabina. Welcome Angela Palacio in Belize City, listening to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, and a special show to Soca and of course Calypso music. Also Alex El Chino dice Pura 61 Broadway. He's remembered the days of Broadway and 61st right there in LA. Kemotia, Wabina, ha? I was Contempo back in the days, 61st on Broadway. Kemotia. Big shout out to Tutu in the house, right there in Los Angeles. We love you, Tutu. Way back in the days, baby. Kemotia.
But the chick only have a head for party. I trying my best to cool she down, but she head tie up with them disco song. Always with she disco beats, no one to share. She does want to dance, as I'm turning into bed. Come on, Auntie, I don't feel like getting down. Jam on it, honey, no something with that she wrong. Rock it to the left, now rock it to the right. Rock it in the center, keep the action tight.
Visiting Las Vegas or live in Las Vegas? Black Coral Cafe Belizean Caribbean and American Cuisine Restaurant is just the place you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're open Tuesdays to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sundays from 12 noon to 5 p.m. Closed on Mondays. At Black Coral Cafe Restaurant in Las Vegas, you can enjoy all your Belizean, Caribbean, and American cuisine. We're located at 380 West Sahara Avenue. We also do catering for parties, weddings, and more. Call us at 702-579-5099. That's 702-579-5099. What happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas.
This is Jerry Castro, and thank you for tuning in to Radio Centro America and its host, DJ Labuga, Ronnie Figueroa, every Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are live and we are back. This is DJ Labuga, live and direct every Wednesday. Garifuna Music and Talk from 7 p.m. until 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now, Eastern Standard Time will be 10 p.m. to midnight. Yes, we are live on LMB Roots Radio, also RadioGarifuna.com and Radio Guiriga 99.9 FM in Santa Fe, Honduras. Thank you again. Bienvenidos allá en Santa Fe, Radio Guiriga 99.9 FM, que nos tienen en vivo a través de FM, frecuencia modulada. Thank you once again to all of you who are listening live to our weekly radio show. I am having a good time. I hope you're having a good time as well. We're listening to oldies but goodies, all-time favorite soca and calypso songs. So you're going to hear a lot more from Ed Watson, from Gypsy, Mighty Doe, Nando Boom, Penguin, Rupee, Fuerza Brava, Merchant, Exile One, The Merrymen, King Care of Me, Lea Leons, Eduardo Ballesteros, Melvin Augustin, La Banda de Costa Rica, Benny Guerrero, Georges Plunkite, Superstars of New York, Taboo Combo, Trini Divo, The Rebels from Panama, and many, many more. Thank you again to all of our radio stations that are syndicated and broadcasting our show. Radio Centroamérica in Los Angeles, LMB Roots Radio in New York, Radio Garifuna in New York, and Guiriga 99.9 FM in Santa Fe, Honduras. Now we have Ed Watson with Easy Dancing. This is nice for you to remember. And if you do have something to say or have a shout out, don't forget to check us on Facebook. Ronnie Figueroa is my page, and I want to send a big shout out to our very good friend Indira Castillo listening live, and of course Angela Castillo listening live in Belize City, and Ruth Molina listening right here in the east of Los Angeles. ¿Qué motea? Easy Dancing.
esa chica no me puede vacilar.
Esa mujer, como me aprieta esa mujer. Le pregunté yo por su nombre y me salió con un G. Esa chica me vacila, aquella chica me vacila. Me gusta como baila soca, pero esa chica me vacila. Me vacila, esa chica me vacila, esa chica me vacila, que esa chica no me puede vacilar, esa chica no puede vacilar, esa chica no me puede vacilar, esa chica no me puede vacilar. A mí se me ve la mano, mira, me ve los pies, Nando boom aquí de nuevo otra vez, se quita todo, se no presidente de Cuba, Fidel Castro, te quita todo y se dice quedó, Nando boom aquí te viene a pregonar, Nando boom aquí te viene a cantar, yes, hasta la mano, mira, me ve los pies, mi mente. Si loco me quieres ver, solo te quiero conocer. Lo que tú haces es correr. Aquella chica me vacila, esa chica me vacila. Me gusta como baila soca, pero esa chica me vacila. Baila así, yes, Panamá lo baila así, yes, venezolano lo baila así, yes, ganando boom aquí te viene a pregonar, a todo el mundo me tiene que escuchar, yes, que a todo el mundo mira tiene que bailar, yes, mira la gorda lo baila así, mira la blanca lo baila así, mira la blanca lo baila así, yes, mira la negra lo baila así, yes, ganando boom aquí te viene a pregonar, mueve la mano, la cintura en los pies, yes, que Nando boom aquí de nuevo otra vez, veterano Nando boom aquí te viene a cantar, alza la mano, mira, mueve los pies, yes, ganando boom aquí te viene a pregonar,
This is DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk with a special show to soca music as well as calypso music. Here we go with Umbaya.
Africa, and I was a warrior, hunting lion and tiger, brave like my forefather. And when the darkness gathered, we sit around a fire, telling of the bravery and courage of our great ancestors, and we chanting. Surround me, food and wealth in a quantity. If I could go back to Africa, then I could be a great hunter. Running, swimming, climbing, around a fire dancing. Women washing and singing. You can hear their voices echo in the wind. They chanting. Fell in grief was the death of the tribal chief. The chief had a son named Mutuba who was to take over. But then came another warrior who claimed to be the next ruler. They tested their skills in a battle and Mutuba was the winner. So the crowd chanted.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're live and direct. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Now is the turn for a little bit of Haitian music. This is Les Eglions with Huisela. Que mote, huh? Wabina, huh? And a big shout out one more time to Angela Palacio, not Angela Castillo, listening in Belize City. Que mote, huh?
Yo pasa besa, yo besa, yo pasa besa, yo besa, yo pasa besa.
Oui, piti, piti. Pisa lapin, pisa racoun, pisa femme, pisa femme, pisa femme, pisa femme, pisa femme, pisa femme. Mais moi en cap parler, c'est moi qui a dit ça. Moi Michel Nerpla, moi ça sont aimé ça. Sont qu'a adoré ça. Tous les hommes ont aimé ça. Mais oui ils ont aimé cuisse. Puis ça poule, puis ça canard, puis ça coden, puis ça couic, puis ça mouton, puis ça cochon, puis ça lapin, puis ça racoune. Puis sa femme, 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 puis sa femme. Pisa raccoon, pisa pomme. Dis-moi, réponds-moi garçon.
Well, people. Hope you're having a good time, as I am, as we are right here in the studios in Long Beach. This is Garifuna Music and Talk every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. We are live on 3 stations, actually 4. We're on Radio Centroamerica from Los Angeles, LMB Roots Radio, and Radio Garifuna from Mr. Garifuna Link in New York, as well as 99.9 FM Radio Guiriga in Santa Fe. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, the GAFU School, the Garifuna Language and Culture Academy of Los Angeles, is offering free classes every Saturday. If you want to learn how to speak Garifuna, don't forget to pay us a visit every Saturday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Don't forget, GAFU School, free classes for the entire family at the L. Ron Hubbard Community Center located on 81st and Vermont. And don't forget also that the Obamacare is open enrollment at this moment. And it started already, right? No, it starts November 1st. And it's all over the United States. So if you don't have any health insurance, if you want to buy, or if you can't afford to buy it, make sure you go to Obamacare or the local the local medical office in your state and sign up for open enrollment so you could get medical care under the Obama healthcare plan. So if you are listening and following to our podcasts every week, don't forget to subscribe to GAFU channel on YouTube. We have a channel called GAFU channel on youtube.com. And if you subscribe, we're trying to get 5,000 subscribers to be able to use the free studios that were opened by Google, the big company that owns YouTube, so that we could actually have a professional studio and be able to put out better and more quality shows, not only for the radio station, but for the Garifuna Language and Culture Academy. I also want to take the opportunity to say a big hello to Tomas Solis listening out there somewhere in the United States. Omar Mejia right here in Los Angeles from Honduras, LMB Roots Radio. Also live in New York. We are, he's rebroadcasting us live. LMB Roots. Yes, we got people listening in Honolulu, Hawaii. Big up to all of those members of the armed forces who are listening to us live every Wednesday. Omar Mejia, Ruth Molina, Frank Castillo as well listening in San Diego, California. Thank you for listening, and we shall continue. This is something that I always play at the parties, and people just can't stop dancing. This is Banda Ibanez from Honduras, and this is the Calypso Medley. Today, a special show called All-Time Favorite Soca and Calypso Songs. Kemotia, Wabinaha, Wabeduha.
Nona haba mabrega honsu ondura na hayagata wagia le Vanessa dabi tulete bume mami ingipe chebuito birana world
y qué potencia Banda Ibanez.
big shout out to Cynthia Fernandez, Tutu, as well as Amanda Ninette Leal listening from Puerto Barrios, and of course Cynthia Fernandez and Tutu from Belize and the United States listening right here in Los Angeles. Que motea.
Que no señor, eso sí que es un brillo. NB, quererme ya, move, quererme así. Rosalía. Wichuchuta tutuchito. Cuando un bancho. Eri otto de frito. Vanessa, eso sí, señor. Rosalía. Avispa, mamá avispa, moñate, agagachuwanju, o moñate, chuwachuchu mamá, te aguio. En la tuya no va capatón en mi nama, ya la paje su no sé, ya la despaciguando, más en el vince, y que guay, que guay, y que guay, guata, y que guay, que va, bata, hui.
Visiting Las Vegas or live in Las Vegas? Black Coral Cafe Belizean Caribbean and American Cuisine Restaurant is just the place you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're open Tuesdays to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sundays from 12 noon to 5 p.m., closed on Mondays. At Black Coral Cafe Restaurant in Las Vegas, you can enjoy all your Belizean, Caribbean, and American cuisine. We're located at 380 West Sahara Avenue. We also do catering for parties, weddings, and more. Call us at 702-579-5099. That's 702-579-5099. What happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas.
Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga on www.radiocentroamerica.com. Now going global through New York's newest LMB Roots Radio. Tune in by dialing www.lmbroots.com. And if you have TuneIn application on your smartphone, look it up under LMB Radio. LMB Radio. Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back again. This is a special show, Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, every Wednesday from 7 to 9. This show features your favorite soca, calypso, and souk songs from artists such as Crazy, The Mighty Sparrow, Byron Lee and the Dragoneers coming up soon, Shadow, Mighty Power, Ed Watson, Arrow, Scrunter, Bill Campbell, which is coming up right next, right after this commercial, the Lord Rayburn Band from Belize, Lovendeer, Winston Soso, Sprice and Company, Lord Kitchener, Kasab, Bonnie Mac, Dropa T, Crossfire, Caribbean Dynamics Band, which we already played, Del and the Sensations coming up next, Santino Messengers Band, Rootsman, Bella Carib coming up in a few, Calypso Rose, which we already played, Banda Ibanez, we just heard that, Eddie Grant, Gypsy, Mighty Doe, Nando Boom, Penguin, Rupee, Fuerza Brava, Merchant, Exile One, The Merrymen, King Caro, My Me, Le Igleons, Eduardo Ballesteros, Melvin Augustin, La Banda de Costa Rica, Benny Guerrero, Georges Plonkite, Superstars of New York, Taboo Combo, Trini Divo, The Rebels, and much, much more. This is the all-time favorite soca and calypso songs. Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, and we hope that Lali is recuperating from Black Coral Cafe in Las Vegas, Nevada. We send you a big shout out, Lali, hoping that you're doing good. And also, I want to send a big shout out to all of our listeners who are tuned in to lmbroots.com radio, Radio Centro America, Radio Garifuna in New York, and also Giriga 99.9 FM in Santa Fe, Honduras.
Love come down when you touch me. I
nearest to my heart. Girl will never part. I got to have her by my side, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. I want to send a big shout out to my very good friend Pablo Blanco, listening in New York. Yes, Garifuna Pablo Blanco is on Facebook, sending us some good information. He said, literally, the translation for the group Les Lions is the Eagles. That's the name. Legendary Souk compa group from Guadeloupe, along with Henry Debs, developed the early souk sounds. Kassav from Paris popularized the souk genre with massive hit Souk Lassé del Medicament and Mediana. Oh, Mariana. In the early 80s, of course, DJs are the best historians. Thank you, Garifuna Pablo Blanco, for that information, and also thank you for listening to our show every week. And next, we have Grupo Tabú from Haiti via New York, and this is called Fiesta.
Y nos vamos de fiesta. A mi gente caribeña que gozan de buena fiesta, hoy yo les quiero invitar a que vengan a gozar y sus penas olvidar. Ven conmigo a vacilar, ay, si tus penas quieres olvidar, con este ritmo puedes gozar, con el Tabú Combo debes bailar. Conmigo a vacilar, ay, si tus penas quieres olvidar, con este ritmo puedes gozar, con el Tabú Combo debes bailar.
chocolate.
Esto sí es fiesta, caballero.
Full, full. Y que dice Moreno que va fiesta.
Cuando me emborracho, racho, no sé qué me pasa, pasa. No encuentro mi casa, casa, no encuentro la llave. Cuando me emborracho, caballero, no sé qué me pasa. No encuentro mi casa, no encuentro la llave. La llave, la llave, la llave, la llave. Cuando me emborracho, no sé qué me pasa. No encuentro mi casa, no encuentro la llave. Cuando me emborracho, caballero, no sé qué me pasa. No encuentro mi casa, no encuentro la llave.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, presenting all-time favorite soca, calypso, souk, compa, and much more music. Yes, today is Wednesday, October 1st, 2014, and our show is every Wednesday from 7 p.m. until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And of course, in New York, it's from 10 to midnight. It's from 7 to 9, that is. Thank you again. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga every Wednesday. Next week, we have Gui Pasi in the house, live and direct with the best paranda and the best punta in the house from the West Coast. Gui Pasi, Mr. Steve Augustine, live right here in the studio. And now we go to Belize with the Lord Rayburn combo. Dogs of War.
Hollywood is in Belize, they're making a big movie. The guns and the knives you hear, they're making the dogs of war. Action all around the town, they're shooting and burning down.
Coming down like dogs of war with the machine gun to clear the land.
Coming down like dogs of war with me machine gun to clear the land.
You can feel the vibration when you're coming down like dogs of war.
I'm looking for Kimba the dictator.
Coming down like dogs of war with the machine gun to clear the land.
Coming down like Shannon with me machine gun.
You could feel the vibration when you're coming down like dogs of war.
You could feel the vibration when I'm coming down in dogs of war. Making history, they're acting in big movie. They bring down the BDF, the fellows was at their best. Shannon with the machine gun, clear the way when he coming down.
You feel the vibration when you're coming down like dogs of war.
I'm coming down in dogs of war.
Coming down like dogs of war with the machine gun to clear the land.
I'm looking for Kimba the dictator.
You could feel the vibration when you're coming down like dogs of war.
You could feel the vibration when I'm coming down in dogs of war.
Shannon with me machine gun to clear the land.
You could feel the vibration when it's coming down like Josaphat.
I looking for Kimba the dictator.
Coming down like Josaphat with the machine gun to clear the land.
You could feel the vibration when I'm coming down in Dogs of War.
You could feel the vibration when it's coming down like Josaphat.
I'm coming down like Dogs of War with me machine gun inside my hand. I'm looking for Kimba the dictator.
Coming down like Josaphat with the machine gun to clear the land.
I'm coming down like Shannon with me machine gun to clear the land.
Coming down like Josaphat.
I'm looking to clear the land. You could feel the vibration when I'm coming down in Dogs of War.
This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, presenting all-time favorite soca and calypso songs. We just listened to The Dogs of War with the Lord Rayburn Combo from Belize. And now is the turn for Leston Paul and the Indian Soca Medley. Kemotia Wabinaha every Wednesday, 7 to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 10 to midnight Eastern Time. Big shout out to Gado Nunez, listening in Houston, Texas. The big Gado Nunez.
In the conga line, it is party time. Time to
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the special show. Beautiful song by Leston Paul, Indian Soca Medley. This is a special show dedicated to all-time favorite soca calypso songs and, of course, a little bit of souk. Yes, and we got next a superstar from the country of Honduras. This is Eduardo Ballesteros in a calypso medley song called Gani. Let's go. Que motia. Yes, Garifuna music. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was the music from King Wire and Ray Wire, Jam Tight. This is Garifuna Music and Talk, your radio show every Wednesday from 7 to 9 p.m. We are already beyond our allowed time, but I know you're having a good time, and we have a lot of people listening in New York and Belize City, even in Honduras. They reported listening through Giriga 99.9 FM, Santa Fe, Honduras. Yes, in Radio Centroamérica in Los Angeles is booming. We have all of South LA, South Central LA listening to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, a special show for soca, calypso, and souk music right here, bringing back the memories. Thank you for listening to Ruth Molina, Dale Ogaldes, Pablo Garifuna, Pablo Blanco in New York, and many, many more people. Now we have one of our own, after we listened to Eduardo Ballesteros with Gani, now we have another one of our own bands playing nice calypso and soca music. This is Fuerza Brava from Honduras. Kemutia, Wabinaha. 3 more songs and we're out. Don't forget, next week we have Gui Pasi in the house. Mr. Gui Pasi, Steve Augustine will be live in the studio with DJ Labuga. Don't forget, Gafu Garifuna Language and Cultural Academy offers free Garifuna classes every Saturday at 11 a.m. Also, don't forget to sign in. The enrollment begins November 15 for Obamacare in every state of the United States. Sign in for free services or to buy into the market if you can afford it. Don't forget to subscribe to Gafu channel through YouTube. Every podcast, every show that we do here, we put it on podcast on Gafu channel on YouTube. And if we reach our 5,000 subscribers, we'll be able to use the free studios right here in Santa Monica that was built by Google, the parent company of YouTube. Let's go. Fuerza Brava. Que motea.
Para todo mi gente.
We got to bring it back. Que motea. Wabinaha.
Para todo mi gente de Honduras. Aquí está la fuerza. Bueno, los que no pueden con la barriguita, con la cinturita, mami. The Panamina like it, hot, hot, cold, cold, stop, stop. Oh, lady like it, she don't like it, I don't like it, we don't like it, Olorina like it, Benita like it, Panamina like it, Trinidad like it, you like it, she like it, I like it, they like it, your brother like it, your sister like it, your auntie like it, your cousin like it, Anthony coming in, Anthony coming in, it's many coming in, many coming in, Anthony bobbing in, Anthony bobbing in, it's many coming in, many coming in, bobbing in, my bobbing in, bongy bongy bong bongy bongy bongy, si bum si bum si bum si bum bide, bong 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 bong.
Shout out to Luis Escobar listening in Los Angeles from Puerto Barrios. Also, Chiquita Bella listening, Ruth Molina. Evilda Roches listening in Los Angeles along with Michael Jackson, Tomasito Botay.
me gusta a mí, esa chica menea así, esa chica me gusta a mí, esa chica menea así, esa chica me gusta a mí, esa chica menea así, esa chica me gusta a mí, esa chica menea así. Girl, I love the way you whine, girl, I love the way you grind, girl, I love the way you whine, girl, I love the way you grind. Yo tengo una bolita que me sube y se baja, ay, 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 ay. Yo tengo una bolita que me sube y se baja, ay, 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 ay. Yo tengo una bolita que me sube y se baja, ay, 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 ay. Yo tengo una bolita que me sube y se baja, ay, 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 ay. Hey, rumba, mama, bonito, get that banana, la batuani, put la baba, put la banana, put la baba, put la banana, take a preto, take a preto, take a preto, take a preto, pa, take it bye bye, 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 pa, take it bye bye. Yo tengo una vuelta que me sube y se baja, ay, 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 ay. Yo tengo una vuelta que me sube y se baja, ay, 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 ay. Yo tengo una vuelta que me sube y se baja, ay, 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 ay. Yo tengo una vuelta que me sube y se baja, ay, 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 ay.
Visiting Las Vegas or live in Las Vegas? Black Coral Cafe Belize in Caribbean and American Cuisine Restaurant is just a place you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're open Tuesdays to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sundays from 12 noon to 5 p.m. Closed on Mondays. At Black Coral Cafe Restaurant in Las Vegas, you can enjoy all your Belizean, Caribbean, and American cuisine. We're located at 380 West Sahara Avenue. We also do catering for parties, weddings, and more. Call us at 702-579-5099. That's 702-579-5099. What happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas.
This is Jerry Castro, and thank you for tuning in to Radio Centroamerica and its host, DJ La Buga, Ronnie Figueroa, every Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m.
Sugar
and gentlemen, that was Byron Lee and the Dragonaires, Sugar Boom Boom. Melvin Augustine coming up next from Belize, representing Melvin Augustine now, who is living in Cayman Islands and not feeling too good. We hope that he recovers and he feels a lot better than he's been feeling lately. So, Mr. Melvin Augustine, this is for you, my brother. Happy Fisherman.
Long time ago, Grandpa was a happy fisherman. People rushed down to Hawks Tidy with your noisy pudding pan. The island he lives is a paradise land. See all around, beautiful sand. Come to my home and my father's home, the land of the happy fisherman. To get your fun. That's the time the women wake up to bake the bun for the fisherman. 4 o'clock in the evening, you will hear them gaily singing. When the boat reaches the shore, then you hear the pudding pan. What's a big head of funny name? Grandpa is the one who gets the blame. His belly is big, but he moves very quick. Fish shall I run come make him pick. Can't find a name for the boat, so they call it the happy fisherman. Call him name when he get his paid and you pass your pudding pan.
And the birds gonna sing. She promised to give me something, ting, ting. Ring, ting, ting, everybody hear this ting. My girlfriend promised to give me something. And the bells can ring, and the birds can sing. 'Cause she promised to give me something, ting, ting. Everybody ring, ting, ting. Hear this thing, my girlfriend promised to give me something. And the bells can ring, and the birds can sing. 'Cause she promised to give me something, ting, ting. Every year it's the same thing, all you do is promising. Well, you promised me a watch and a motor car. Every year it's the same thing, all you do is promising, gal. But so help me, bless I can collect this carnival. Sing it out loud, ring, ting, ting, everybody hear this sing. My girlfriend promised to give me something, and the bells gonna ring, and the birds gonna sing. 'Cause she promised to give me something, ting, ting. 'cause she promised to give me something, ting, ting. Every year is the same thing. All you do is promising. Well, you promised me a house and a motor car. Every year is the same thing. All you do is promising, girl. But so help me, best I can collect this carnival. Sing it up, sing it up, sing it up, ring, ting, ting. Yes! Hear this thing. My girlfriend promised to give me something. And the bells gonna ring, and the birds gonna sing. 'Cause she promised.
Que familia, this is Estrella Subo, kind of feeling. Garifuna soca music.
Every time I feel your heartbeat against me body, I get excited, real excited. Every time you do the thing that you do to me, I get excited, so excited. Hold me, Jammy, baby, have no fear. It's a feeling I can't compare. I have this kind of feeling, a smooth that kind of feeling. And when I get this feeling, I just feel like whining. I have this kind of feeling, this smooth that kind of feeling. And when I get this feeling, I just feel like whining. Baila punta. Punta is a music that always keep you rocking. Morning and evening, constant jamming. Man and woman dropping the body in the party. Can't refuse it, can't resist it. All night, baby, I would take good care. It's a feeling I want to share. I have this kind of feeling, this punta kind of feeling. And when I get this feeling, I just feel like whining. I have this kind of feeling, this punta kind of feeling. And when I get this feeling, I just feel like whining. Baila punta. While the DJ pumping his own waistline kicking, this is the station, aggravation. I would like to know where they get their energy from. So much action, filled with passion. With this music, girl, you turn me on. Keep it coming all night long. I have this kind of feeling, this punta kind of feeling. And when I get this feeling, I just feel like whining. I have this kind of
Now this is Nando Boom from Panama. Me vacila, teaser.
Como me mira esa mujer, como me aprieta esa mujer. Le pregunté yo por su nombre y me salió con un G. Esa chica me vacila, aquella chica me vacila. Me gusta como baila soca. coming, you're coming, you're coming.
No, 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 not so fast. Don't come so fast. I want it last. She said, no, 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 not so fast. Don't come so fast. I want it last.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to go. One more song after this, and we say goodbye. We'll see you next Wednesday with Gooey Posse, Mr. Steven Agustin.
She said,